this is the community of American truck drivers. Welcome to another video.
Heavy haul truck just ripped open the side of this tanker. Fucking guy didn't stop for the pilot trucks. Jesus Christ.
Get out of the way! I've already called 911. The truck is bottomed out. Garfield and Industrial. Push it, push it, push it, push it! The train is coming! Go, go, go! Oh. Just go, keep going, keep going! Keep going!
Good job, loader! There's a cop right there.
He said someone else had already called too. Whew. Why do they make these trailers that won't clear these crossings? I don't understand.
They're lowboys.
Well, lowboys shouldn't be going through these kind of intersections. They should be on a GPS system or something where they know where they can clear them. Ugh.
It's good. Nice. Nice. Drag it. That massive bus in Brooklyn that was turned into somewhat of a house. And is no longer a house. Chop, chop. Oh shit. Aww.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
You've been kid 20 minutes. He can't drive, officer. He's going to kill somebody. Get behind the wheel. He's going to kill somebody. He got to go back. That's not going to turn in. Oh, he's dead. Everybody back up. This is about to explode. Párate allá, hijo de... Dale, choqueaste, hijo de... Párate allá, hijo de...
Video from Wednesday. Take a look. It shows a board flying off the back of a pickup and hitting the windshield of a car that was heading in the opposite direction. And if you look closely, you can see the man there. He tries to secure that board, but it flew away into the air. Eyewitness News spoke to the driver of the car that got hit.
That
How he gonna get through that motherfucker? Now that's some drive. To get through that in that motherfucker like that in that line, that's...
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.